This is a closure boho braid bob wig. Today's video is going to be spectacular. Why? Because I've been listening to you. You know that? I've really been listening to y'all. You said you don't like dealing with all that lace. You want the braid wig. You don't want it to be long. You want the boho braids, but you don't want to sit in somebody's chair for 8 hours. You don't want to have to pluck. You don't want to have to bleach. You don't want to have to do any of those things. What if I told you I got something for you? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Look at this right here. You see that? Closure, baby. Look at this. Bam. Ain't nobody's ear to ear lace. Nobody. You don't have to have ear to ear lace. And I dare somebody to tell you have to. All the way around. You see that? You don't have to worry about the stretch. The stretch is in the cap. All the way. You see that silicone? That silicone will hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship. Ear cutouts. Look at that. You know what they did? Look at that mesh right there. So the ear cutout ain't all hard on the curve of your ear. It's the little things, y'all. It's the little things. If you hear my refrigerator, hey, act like you don't. These combs right here, removable. You ain't got to have them if you don't want to. Some people don't like combs in their wig. And a drawstring. Honey, tell me how this wig is gonna be. Now, there are ways for it to be snatched off. That's y'all business. But I'm telling you, under normal circumstances, this wig is not going anywhere. Y'all don't worry about the emptiness in the back because I just moved, okay?
Hey, y'all got to put her on the prayer list. That baby has nothing in her.
What is it? You already had treats. Ooh, pretty girl. Mama, pretty girl. Mama, pretty girl. Let me go ahead and put this wig on, y'all, because this is not about how I've been working on my face. It's not about that. This is not about how I've been really putting that time into my face. Trying to work on this hyperpigmentation. It's not about that. Here we go again. Going through the same thing. Let me quit before they copyright me.
Child, I sound just like the record, don't I?
Let's put this wig on. Hey. And if you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button. It really helps. Do all those things.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the floor.
We're air drying, guys. Honey, baby, this cat has the zoomies again. Girl, Ken. Hey, you got the zoomies, girl. Where you going? She's doing her own thing. So yeah, we're just air drying, guys, but I'm about done. This about to be cute. This about to be.